Good morning, you guys. So today is Christmas and we're gonna eat breakfast. I am starving, and then, what was that? Oh, my coffee. And then we're gonna open our gifts. So my husband woke up and he was like a kid. He was like, come on, let's open our presents, let's open our presents. There's not a lot. He opened one already, so he really just had, he has like one or two to open. I have like 5, but anyway, I'm so excited, you guys. And I'm really bummed out that I'm gonna have to take, put my tree away. Oh, isn't it beautiful, you guys? I think I'm gonna get more ornaments like next year. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done making breakfast. So now we're gonna sit down and we're gonna eat a very traditional Mexican breakfast. We bought the tamales. I didn't make them, okay? So I just made the eggs and salsa, my coffee, and
your boyfriend.
Say something to the camera.
Something.
No, really. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for being my fans. I know it's not
what?
easy.
Okay. Anyway. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so I really made my husband sit right here because he didn't want to. But we have to do this for the video, okay? Like cozy vibes, okay? It's Christmas Day. So we're about to open our gifts, and I'm going to give his first because he already opened one. And he only has one left to open. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, but I bought him 2 pairs of shoes too. So anyway, which here, but he already opened and he wore them. So this is, he already tried to open this one, but so here, this is from me to you. Merry Christmas.
This is for you.
No, that's for you. Oh, this is for me. That's right. I'm sorry, guys.
From me to you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and open it. Cause I didn't put names. Cause it's just the 2 of us. All right. Oh my God. From Bubble Bar. I love this. Oh my God. Look at these, you guys. They're so cute. Perfect. Well, I already gave you the other 2, but you opened them because es bien desesperado. All right.
That's for the little kids to wait till Christmas morning.
No, this is from the cable. This is a different box.
Oh, what? Is this authentic?
Yes. Oh. Duh. You know I'm gonna buy you like a fake from the Callejones. Because he loves the Lakers, you guys, so I bought him the LeBron jersey. Okay.
This is the best gift ever.
Yeah, so even though today we're about to watch like basketball all day, well, he is, not me. Maybe me, the Lakers, but I don't know.
Keep my hat over there.
Oh, wait.
Merry Christmas to me.
Okay.
Now Christmas is real.
We're about to open this one, another one for me. Oh, the wrapping is so cute.
It took a long time wrapping it. Wait. Look at the corners, that's how you wrap. See the corners?
This is so cute.
And they were sold out. I had a hard time getting those.
I got Desi's eyebrow kit from where is this from? I forgot. Benefit Cosmetics. Oh my god. I love Desi. Oh my god, look at the box, has a mirror? What? This is the cutest thing ever, okay? Merry Christmas to me!
And it was sold out, but I had to call in a couple of my connections.
So, we have to take a Snapchat break. This is from Pagoda. And the little boxes look like this. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Aw, look at these. They're pink.
Pearls.
Pearls, you guys. Oh, are these gold?
White gold.
Oh, these are white gold, you guys. 14K pearl, not pearly, but they're gold. Duh. Little gold balls, earrings. So that's it, you guys. This is everything. We really had a good Christmas because we woke up, we ate, we drank coffee, we're together. Even though I forced them to sit here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Say bye.